Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to block comments on Facebook. Friends, if you made some public post on which you want to block comments, then you need to open your Facebook app. Now here in your Facebook app, you need to press on the profile picture. Now here you will find all your posts. Friends, I have made this public post. Now if I want to block comments on this post, then I need to press on the three dots and here I will find option who can comments on this post. So I need to press on it. Now here you will find various options. On your Facebook post you can block comments from public, but you cannot block comments from friends. Whether your post is public or friends only, your friends can always comment on your post. So if you want to block third persons from commenting on your post, then you need to select friends and press on done. Now you have blocked public to comment on this post. So friends, like this you can give some restrictions and block comment on your post in Facebook. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.